Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by measuring what you owe. Track your nightly average and any daytime naps over 7 days. Once done, set a realistic sleep goal, for example, 8 hours, and a recovery window of 1-2 weeks. Make immediate changes. Pick a firm bedtime, stop caffeine after 2 p.m., and dim lights 60-90 minutes before bed. These are not optional setup steps. They are the first actions that force your circadian system to start repaying the deficit. Next, keep the momentum by structuring sleep opportunity every day. Go to bed and wake within a consistent window. If you need to shift, change wake time by no more than 30 minutes every 2-3 days to avoid circadian disruption. Use bright light within 30-60 minutes of waking and reduce blue light in the evening to strengthen phase alignment. Once you enforce consistent sleep opportunity, your body will consolidate deeper sleep and gradually pay down accumulated debt. To finish, monitor objective measures: sleep duration, sleep efficiency, and daytime alertness. Expect steady improvement over 1-3 weeks. Limit naps to 30 minutes early afternoon so they don't block nighttime sleep. Once your nightly hours consistently meet your target, taper recovery behaviors back to maintenance. If you're not improving after 3 weeks, escalate. Rule out medication effects, untreated insomnia, sleep apnea, or other medical issues by consulting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.